May I come in?
We would require a third party.
What was Donald's mother doing here?
We were having a chat.
About what?
A third party is truly required, Father.
No, sister. No third party. You and I are due for a talk. You have to stop this campaign against me.
You can stop it at any time.
How?
Confess and resign.
You are attempting to destroy my reputation.
You can't distract me. This isn't about my behavior, it's about yours.
Why do you suspect me? What have I done?
You gave that boy wine to drink, and you let him take the blame.
You're insane! You've got it in your head that I've corrupted this child after giving him wine, and nothing I say will change that.
That's right.
But correct me if I'm wrong, sister. This has nothing to do with the wine. Not really. You had a fundamental mistrust of me since before this incident. Did you know that Donald's father beats him?
Yes.
And might that not account for the odd behavior Sister James noticed in the boy?
It might.
Then what is it? What? What did you see? What did I do that has convinced you so thoroughly?
On the first day of the school year, I saw you touch William London's wrist. And I saw him pull away.
That's nothing.
What are you writing now?
I'm taking notes on what you say. I'll need them when I speak to the Monsignor about why you need to be removed as principal of this school.
On the morning before I spoke with Mrs. Muller, I took the precaution of calling the last parish to which you were assigned.
What did he say?
Who?
The pastor.
I did not speak to a pastor. I spoke to a nun.
You're supposed to go through the pastor.
I spoke to a nun.
That's not the proper route for you to have taken, sister. The church is very clear. You're supposed to go through the pastor.
Why? Do you have an agreement, you and he, Father Flynn? You have a history. This is your third parish in 5 years.
I am a good priest. And there is nothing in my record to suggest otherwise.
You will go after another child and another child until you are stopped.
You have not the slightest proof of anything. You're a member of a religious order. You have no right to step outside the church.
I will step outside of the church if that's what needs to be done. You should understand that, or you will mistake me.
Have you ever done anything wrong?
I have.
Mortal sin?
Yes.
And?
I confessed it. Did you give Donald Muller wine to drink?
Whatever I have done, I have left in the healing hands of my confessor, as have you. We are the same.
We are not the same. A dog that bites is a dog that bites. I do not justify what I do wrong and go on. I admit it, desist it, and take my medicine. Did you give Donald Muller wine to drink?
No.
Mental reservations?
No.
You lie. Very well then. If you won't leave my office, I will. And once I go, I will not stop.
Wait. Please. Are we not people? Am I not flesh and blood like you? If you say these things, I won't be able to continue my work in the community.
Your work in the community should be discontinued.
I have done nothing wrong. I care about that boy very much.
Because you smile at him and sympathize with him and talk to him as if he were the same?
That child needed a friend.
You are a cheat. That warm feeling you experienced when that boy looked at you with trust in his eyes, not the sensation of virtue. You are a disgrace to the collar.
Where's your compassion?
Nowhere you can get at it. Stay here. Compose yourself. Use the phone. I have no sympathy for you. Good day, Father. Cut your fingernails.